Palazzo della Ragione, literally Palace of Reason or City Hall, shows the history of the political life of the city since the days of the Della Scala seigniory. In fact, since the 12th century, the Domus Communis was the head office of the magistrates of the town. Over the centuries, the buildings had numerous functions. Among them, the most important that should be remembered are the College of Notaries, the collection of the taxes on silk, the savings bank and the law courts. These various uses determined continuous changes in its architectural forms that altered the exterior and interior appearance of the building. For example, during the Visconti domination at the turn of the 1400s, the prisons on the top floors were strengthened and 4 towers were placed on the 4 corners. Today we can only see the mighty tower overlooking Piazza Erbe and Via Cairoli and the Torre dei Lamberti. Under the rule of the Serenissima Republic of Venice, the complex also became a place of trade. The inner courtyard in fact still bears the name Cortile Mercato Vecchio, Old Market, in memory of past times when there were stores of salt and cereals. In this period, the famous Scala della Ragione, Staircase of Reason, was also built, an elegant Veronese marble staircase that symbolized the willingness of the political powers, situated on the upper levels, to communicate with the people on ground level. An admirable concept that is repeated again in various forms in the public architecture throughout the Renaissance. The complex of the Palazzo della Ragione is open to those who want to walk through the wonderful halls of political power, or to those who are curious to see the entire city of Verona from the top of Torre dei Lamberti, and finally to those who knew how to appreciate the collection of modern art in the city, housed in the exhibition spaces of the building.